What is up, y'all? It feels like it's been forever since I filmed around, maybe months. Yeah, it could have been 2 months. Anyways, super stoked to be out here today. It's finally above freezing out here at Mountain Creek Park. It's a 9-hole disc golf course. There are smart layouts on UDisc for it though. It says it's a long, intermediate difficulty. So it gets a fair amount of traffic if it has the difficulty ratings. There's no T signs, fair bit of wind, but the course is empty and I'm excited to play. So let's get to it. Hole 1, 315 feet. It's down there by the trees. We've got a right to left headwind right now. First throw, no warm-ups. Going with the Bobcat. A little short. We'll do 2-on-1. Go alpha. Oh boy. That was bad. Not too bad off the tee. Moved my microphone, so hopefully it doesn't make that loud noise. Par's not bad. Hole 2, 441 feet. You can see beautiful lake in the background. It's almost white capping out there. The wind is really picking up. It's cold coming off of the water. Tough wind for this hole, so I'm probably gonna play this one for 3, but we'll see what happens. And the audio's gone. I have no idea. Still have no idea what's happening here, but just a big hyzer, got caught in the wind, chipped it over here. Get to pitch up. Trickled a little more than I want to. Got a little crosswind, cross tailwind. A little bit of rollaway potential, especially if you do that. Oof. So some cool ice on the lake. Couldn't help but include that. Super bummed the audio dropped out, because you could hear all the ice like clinking on itself. It was kind of cool. Hole 3, 496 feet. Big lefty backhand or a turnover. I don't know if any of these trees are Mandos. It wouldn't surprise me if they were. Got caught up there. Going straight into the headwind, so the turnovers are really touchy. Did it again. Zoom on this camera is awesome. See the college all the way over there, and more of the ice. It's the other reason I sawed off those turnovers. I didn't want to hyzer out and go towards the lake. Going alpha for my upshot here. Just playing the hillside. Pretty happy with that. Couldn't quite tell if it was pin high or deep, but it was actually short. Putting downhill into a headwind. Not something I get to practice very often. Par's never bad though. Hole 4, 356 feet, and just barely see the basket off the tee. Got a walking path curling around the green. Try a little baby turnover here. Do have that cross wind from right to left and turned into a really bad cut roller. But fortunately this course really doesn't have a lot of danger. I mean, the lake is there. Something terrible would have to happen to find the lake. No big skips today. Yeah, this would be a great course to bring new players to, or if you just want like an easy round. Lots of room for field work. Hole 5, 321 feet. Got the walking path on the right and nothing out to the left. So I'm just going to throw my Phoenix out there. Yeah, just no big skips today. I don't know if because the grass was so cold, now the sun's warming up, it's like a little humid and sticky. Not quite sure. I'm pointing out all this extra room there is in this part of the park that I'm going to pan the camera over to. You could do like a greenbelt type situation where you have holes going out there on the right and then coming back on the left. I don't know. There's a ton of land over there. You could definitely pack another 9 holes. Really open this whole park up. It would be awesome. Hole 6, 466 feet. Basket. Kind of near this big power pole, light pole. If there's no walkers, you can go this turnover line over the path, which with today's wind seemed perfect. Yeah, fits actually about 466 feet. I'm really happy with this tee shot. It's right around 400 feet. Walking path behind the basket though, so I'm not trying to glide this glitch up there too much, just kind of chipping it up, keeping it in putting range. So yeah, especially with that left to right wind, glitch can totally just catch, glide, and end up OB. Cost me the birdie. A little frozen depression here, so gotta try and throw some skip shots. Hole 7, 288 feet. Basket's up behind those trees. Right into the headwind, but I'm just going to rip a Phoenix up there and skip it into the green. Hole 8, 331 feet. You're throwing over the walking path. Nice turnover here. Except it stayed a little too straight with it's a blind Mustang, so I'm just going to try the Royal Mustang just for fun. Thwack. Poor disc. It's been thrown like 3 times ever. And 2 of them have been right into trees like that. It's going to get even more and more flippy. Off the cage, just a hair short. Final hole, hole 9. 413 feet downhill. way too nose up. I just wanted to go over the top and catch that second flight towards the bucket. Ended up being short of the walking path. I'm going to try to turn over with the longhorn here. A little too inside. With my Big Z Zeus. A little wider. Way better. It's way down there. But here's my real shot. Short of the walking path. The same putt for par here is about the same putt that my Big Z Zeus would have for a birdie. Yeah, just past pin high. I'm stoked on that. Yeah, it's awesome. So on hole 7, I found this hemp blend, Wizard Super Soft Hemp 173. No name, no number. It's got some dog marks in it and stuff, so definitely belongs to someone and or their dog. So I'm stashing it here in this little tree by the final basket. Be nice, everyone, if that's not yours, just leave it there. Hopefully whoever's it is sees it. I'm sorry and good luck. So, from the final basket, walking back to the car, this is the walkout. All in all, not a bad course. I'd say solid 3 stars. Baskets are in good shape. Tee pads are in good shape. There's 0 tee signs, which makes it tricky to navigate. Fortunately, UDisc is mapped out well enough to get you where you need to be. The pads are kind of set into the grass, so it's kind of hard to see them until you're right there. You don't have that visual cue looking for a T sign. And then the baskets are in good shape, but they're one of the less expensive mock series baskets that don't necessarily stand out, so they can be kind of hard to see, which luckily those are in the correct placement on UDisc as well, so that helps a ton. Views aren't bad. I mean, it's a cold winter day today. In the spring, I bet this park is just totally beautiful, and you got the view of the lake and all that. Would recommend, though, there's trash cans, there's a little playground. Didn't see any drinking fountains or a bathroom. And there's a decent sized parking lot, so that's the walkout. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.